competition today to see who can get it first faster. Okay, so people from here all the way to the right, you are going to show your support for Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. Okay, you clap your hands and shout his name like that. Zonda, Zonda. 1, 2, 3, go. Same thing, you clap your hands and you go. Barry, Barry. Good, rest to the table. Now first, the parents, you will get them first to their nest in tree holes, just like what we have over here. So we've got 4 fruits on each side, supporters, cheer for your birds, ready, go! What's your name? Amigo! Amigo! That's his name! Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? How are you? How are you for us in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Amigo! 1 to 10. Okay, it's called Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. Feelings of love. Amigo, sing for us Rasa Sayang. But before that, is there anybody in the audience celebrating a birthday today? There, the young man over there. I see your badge too. Okay, anybody else celebrating birthday? The center. No, this side. Nobody else? Really? Yeah, and young chicks too. Over here. There you go, you're back. Now, ladies and gentlemen, together with the Singapore National Park Boards as well as some bird experts, we have actually released hornbills into the wild as well as around Jurong Bird Park. Now, so keep your eyes open over the hornbill exhibit for our wild hornbills. Okay, Alfred, time for you to head on back home. Bye, Alfred. All the way home. Okay, you're going to do home for yourself now. Is he still there? Now, if you'd like to see more hornbills, then head on to the hornbill exhibit. Over there, we've got the southern brown hornbill, which is about this big, as well as the bush.
Well, looks like the volunteers are ready. Off goes Bettina. has. Yes, sir. $2. Fantastic. Please stand up. Hold it between your thumb and index finger, money pointing outwards. Very good. Sir, promise me, whatever happens, you don't move. Okay? Sassy, $2. What must you do when you see money? That's right, quick, don't waste time. Take that money, come back here. Don't move. Don't move. Look, where does the money? We will be bringing out 100 birds on stage. So start counting. First band from Africa, the great white pelicans. The second pair from India, our sport bill pelicans. The third pair from Australia, our Australian pelicans. And the last pair from Europe, our Dalmatian pelicans.
Dalmatian.
How many birds do you see on stage right now? Make it more than 100, all the way from England. Keep your eyes up there for Birmingham. Roll that picture. Be sure, if you would like to take photos with our birds, please do stay. We will be bringing out our baby flamingos just for you. But in the meantime, all of you are welcome to come down and take pictures of all our lovely birds here on stage. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, you can help these beautiful birds by buying less and recycling more.
Let's do
On
one in
behalf
five.
of our very generous sponsor, the Singapore Breast Holdings Foundation, who has been